A personal wager is a fully operational P2P or head to head wagering system. The personal wager aims to create a globally accessible esports P2P wagering system allowing players in any country to wager on their own skill with players at home or in any other country. The key values and also you can say the key features of the personal wager is very simple. First of all, the peer to peer. The second is the game agnostic. The third is user generated, and the fourth and the last one is self policing. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video I will try my level best to share each and everything regarding the personal wager, and most importantly I will tell you that how you can purchase PWON tokens in the public sale, because here you can see it by yourself, 4 days are left. So at this time if you are going to buy the PWON tokens you are going to get number of bonus, but after 4 days you are not going to get as much bonus as today. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. So the basic things regarding you can say the personal wager is the esports industry is on a positive, you can say, on becoming one of the largest markets we've seen in a long time. The personal wager is positioned to capture a large part of that niche P2P player to player wagering market. As a wager between two players on a game of skill, it is legal in most you can say countries including all but 12 USA states. As opposed to internet gambling, personal wager is creating its own utility token called Player One Token (PWON) to assist in facilitating the growing popularity of wagering between players around the world. Basically, traditional exchanges of winning for a personal wager relied on okay you can say they basically entirely okay they use the basic cash and locally played games. When these wagers were brought to the web, they were hard to fund internationally, as a large okay you can say the large number of people are playing the games, but they are not getting the chance to play it worldwide. So basically personal wager is giving the same space to all of that one people who, especially for the game lovers, that they can that they can basically use the PWON token and they can play whenever, and even they can play from any part of the world. So first of all, how you can basically buy the PWON token. First of all, you have to click on my PW, and then you have to simply sign up on the main platform. And as I told you that they are going to give a airdrop for you, it is entirely free. They are going to give you the 10 PWON tokens. So whenever you are going to sign up on this platform, they are going to give you the 10 PWON tokens entirely free. After that, here comes your referral link, and if you are going to use your referral link, you are going to get number of PWON tokens entirely free. Whenever your friend is going to use your referral link and they are going to sign up on the PWON personal wager platform, you are going to get PWON tokens. Now the basic thing is this, that how you can basically purchase the PWON token in ICO. First of all, after basically sign up, you have to log in on the main platform mypersonalwager.io. Here you can get the link. You have to click over here on my PW. Then you can easily basically sign up over here. Then you have to click on this link, buy PWON in ICO. Whenever you are going to click on this link, they will basically redirect you on the new page. Here you can see that if you have 1 BTC, you are going to get 1,36,252 PWON tokens, and if you are going to spend 1 Ethereum, you are going to get 3,105 basically PWON tokens. But it is not necessary that you have to purchase it off, you can say up to you can say 1 Ethereum or 1 BTC. You can buy it only from 0.10 Ethereum, 0.15 Ethereum. For example, I'm going to choose the method the basic method of Ethereum. Now I'm going to write, for example, I want 1000 PWON. So how much I have to pay? Basically the thing is this, I have to pay them 0.32206119 Ethereum. So after basically clicking on this link, I have to click on this link, click here to submit your order. Whenever I'm just going to do it, they are going they are asking me that either I'm confirming it. So whenever I'm going to basically confirm it, they basically give me an address. Now this is the address on which I have to send the Ethereum, and when I'm going to send them Ethereum, they are going to send me 1000 PWON on my personal platform, on their personal platform, my personalwager.io, and here on the dashboard I'll be able to see my tokens. So it is entirely very easy. Here you will get the address and you can easily send the Ethereum on this address, and hardly maximum you can say in 1 hour or 2 hours you are going to get your PWON tokens directly in the platform. And after the ICO and IEO, you'll be able to withdraw these PWON tokens entirely easy. So it is entirely very easy to buy this token directly from ICO, because as I told you, because after 4 days definitely the bonus will end up. So at this time you are going to get number of bonus, so it is your time to buy this token directly from the ICO at very low price. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, or if you have any type of questions regarding Personal Wager platform, you can ask each and everything from the team here. You can see it by yourself. All the links are available of the social media, and the team is over there for you 24/7. And very soon I will basically I will take more information regarding this platform Personal Wager, especially the gaming events which they are basically at this time they are, you can say, developing and everything. I will share all that one news regarding Personal Wager.